Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Wednesday evening, August 27, 2025, and we have a lineup of health, fitness, and wellness headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Pure Barre's Fall Fit Challenge is back. 30 classes, 60 days, endless motivation. Pure Barre is bringing back its annual Fall Fit Challenge, inviting members to complete 30 classes in 60 days from September 2nd to October 31. With a variety of classes like Pure Barre Classic, Empower, Align, and Define, participants can track their progress and earn digital badges through the Pure Barre app. The challenge fosters motivation and community and helped with over 38,000 participants and 19,000 finishers in 2024. Registration is open on the Pure Barre app and in studio, with a chance to win prizes by sharing their journey on social media with #FallFitChallenge. Join the challenge to ignite a season of strength, balance, and connection.
HeartBeam Inc., NASDAQ Beat, advances patient convenience with at-home ECG technology. HeartBeam Inc., listed on NASDAQ as Beat, is advancing patient convenience with their at-home ECG technology. Their cable-free design allows for high-fidelity ECG measurements, making it easier for patients to record symptoms at home. Clinicians are recognizing the value of accurate at-home ECG capture, shaping the future of cardiac care. HeartBeam's FDA-cleared HeartBeam system is the first cable-free ECG device capturing heart signals from 3 directions, revolutionizing at-home detection of arrhythmias. Recent reports show that UK doctors believe home ECG devices could save thousands of lives by identifying heart problems earlier. Investors can find more news and updates in the company's newsroom. For more information, visit BioMedWire's website.
Pvolve celebrates mid-year success. Nearly 30 studios open and 5 new leases signed. Pvolve, the functional fitness franchise, celebrates mid-year success with nearly 30 open studios and 5 new leases signed. The brand's growth reflects the demand for its sustainable approach to fitness. Recent expansion includes signing 5 new studio leases and having over 50 studios in development. Franchise partners from diverse backgrounds are driving momentum with opportunities available in high-growth U.S. markets. To learn more about franchising with Pvolve, visit their website. Pvolve's method focuses on strength, mobility, and stability, offering effective workouts supported by a clinical advisory board. Jennifer Aniston has partnered with Pvolve, praising the method as transformational. Biomed News breaks. NRx Pharmaceuticals, Inc., NASDAQ, announces expanded access policy for NRx 100 following FDA Fast Track designation. NRx Pharmaceuticals, Inc. has announced an expanded access policy for NRx 100, a preservative-free ketamine, following FDA Fast Track designation for treating suicidal ideation in patients with depression, including bipolar depression. Eligible patients can access the therapy under specific conditions, such as lack of response to approved treatments. Chairman and CEO Dr. Jonathan C. Javitt stated the company's commitment to making NRx 100 available to patients with limited options. NRx Pharmaceuticals is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on central nervous system disorders. NRx 100 has fast-track designation for suicidal ideation in depression, while NRx 101 has breakthrough therapy designation for suicidal bipolar depression. NRx plans to file for accelerated approval for NRx 101 in patients with bipolar depression and suicidality or akathisia. Vincent Plus shines bright despite Trump's tariff fallout. Don't let tariffs eclipse your Aussie glow. Australian biotech darling Vincent Plus is pushing back against Donald Trump's new tariffs, calling them an attempt to dim Aussie innovation. Trump's tariffs have led to Australia Post suspending parcel postage to the U.S., impacting businesses like Vincent. Despite the challenges, Dr. Vincent, the founder, remains optimistic, stating that their products, born from Australia's sunlight, will continue to shine. Vincent Plus is committed to finding alternative carriers to keep their antioxidant-rich products flowing to the U.S. market, undeterred by trade barriers. Learn more about Vincent Plus and their mission to bring Australian brilliance to the world at vincentplus.com.
New study discovers unexpected reason for resistance to cancer immunotherapy. A joint team of researchers from the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, the Karolinska Institute, and Moffitt Cancer Center has discovered an unexpected mechanism behind resistance to cancer immunotherapy: cancer-induced damage to adjacent nerves. As more firms like Kalidi Biotherapeutics Inc. continue their efforts, this new study sheds light on a crucial factor impacting the effectiveness of cancer immunotherapy.
Biomed News Breaks. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. NASDAQ CNSP CEO discusses drug development and market potential on BiomedWire podcast. CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. CEO John Climaco recently discussed the company's focus on developing treatments for brain cancers on the BioMire podcast. Climaco highlighted CNS Pharmaceuticals' mission to address the urgent unmet need in glioblastoma and the market potential in aggressive cancers like triple-negative breast cancer with brain metastases. The company's drug candidate TPI-287, an abiotaxane, has shown promise in crossing the blood-brain barrier and treating CNS tumors with a favorable safety profile. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Octane presents Cardiovascular Tech Forum 2025. Octane, Southern California's leading accelerator for technology and medical innovation, will host its Cardiovascular Tech Forum 25 on September 11 to 12 at VEA Newport Beach, a Marriott Resort and Spa. The two-day forum will unite industry leaders, entrepreneurs, physicians, and investors to explore the future of cardiovascular innovation and shape the next generation of patient care. The forum will feature a keynote address from Dr. John B. Simpson, Ph.D., M.D., a pioneering interventional cardiologist and serial entrepreneur who invented the over-the-wire balloon angioplasty catheter, a groundbreaking advancement that transformed cardiovascular treatment. To learn more or register, please visit the InvestorWire website.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.